Yeah, guys, make sure to join the Discord. Link in the description. Please follow the rules. Okay, so yep, I'm down. YouTube. Yep, so I'm down here for the party and number 18, guys.
Man, you got. What these niggas cold, bro?
Look, some dumbass set off the fire alarm.
Bro, be quiet. Bro, what these niggas cold? Like, cause I'm still going, but this bitch is
No, I'm going upstairs. Right, yeah, I'm going up to get my coat. Hopefully it doesn't set off the whole building. I wonder what it's going off then. Sounds like it's coming from upstairs. God damn it, you guys! Okay, seriously, guys. Tell me. That's way too close, isn't it? You guys hear that, right?
You hear it?
Yeah. Is it coming from the fourth?
What are we gonna do about that?
I don't know. Public safety's coming.
Oh. Firefighters are coming, man.
I hope it doesn't stop the whole fucking building. Might as well just go to the main lobby. Fuck the costume party. Alright. Still going off. Just going to go plug my phone in. Because it's at 20 and I don't want it dying on me. Okay, so yeah, on the Annunciator it said it was the suite above ours. And I can't hear the sounder bases going off anymore. So I assume it was taken care of. Huh. Well, number 18. Yippee.